Hi, we're taking a closer look at the Natural Face Paint Kit by Natural Earth Paint. We have worked with this brand before, and they offer lots of different products like eco-friendly paint kits, natural varnishes, and more. Okay, let's get into the face paint. This comes in 6 colors, and they're non-toxic and hypoallergenic. They make their paints with certified natural ingredients, and this is a company that goes above and beyond when it comes to the quality of their kits and pigments that they use. So here are the colors, and we'll give you a close-up of each color without the lid so that you can see exactly what you'll get. So there's a blue, this one here is like a yellow ochre, white, green, and red. This one looks kind of like a rusty color red, and black. These are very earthy colors and they have a creamy texture. Let's give you a swatch. So as I'm laying down the color, I'm noticing that it's going on nice and opaque. And just so that you know, I'm washing off the brushes between swatching with just some water, and you can see that it's cleaning off really easily, so that's nice. And there's also 3 applicators included in this pack too. So I'll go ahead with the other colors. I'm finding that they're really easy to work with. You might also want to try painting the pigments on with really light layers instead of thick ones, and that will just help you build up the colors too. So you can just play around with them to see what works for you. Different designs are going to require a different application, that's for sure. And just to try out their other brushes too, this one is just like a makeup applicator, and then they also include a fine brush for detail work. And just so that you know, these are made with eco bamboo and vegan bristles. So if you do apply these pigments more on the thicker side, you will have to wait a bit for them to dry. Putting them on lighter layers will help with the drying time, especially if you're in a hurry. And lastly, let's see how they wash off. All I'm using is a piece of paper towel with some warm water, and it's coming off no problem. We hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.